I used OneNote to create my digital notes, and in that OneNote, I made sure that it was divided as GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, essay, and I had made sub pages. And under GS3, take for example, there was a subheading Science and Technology, and in Science and Technology there were several pages. For example, like quantum technology, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, biotechnology, and I have had made these headings so that when I get a value addition from any current affair sources or from the social media, I can immediately add it whenever or wherever I am. For example, under the topic society, I had a uh, I had the heading urbanization. So while I was traveling, I came across a large flux in the country Qatar, and it had it. It is an advertisement or an awareness flex that said the SILA, or the integrated urban transportation. It was a flex of the integrated urban transportation that was very well in place in the city of Doha. So while I was traveling, I did not had my notes with my hands. So, but I had access to my mobile phone, so I could easily add the value addition point to my notes. So I relied on digital notes for value addition content building from current affairs.